gonna walk all the way around the building.
Yep.
Move ahead to the sidewalk, stay on the sidewalk, and head around the
Only Amy would have locked my toes. Hello, this is Garrett.
Hello.
Say hi.
Hello.
So, were you in the building?
Yes,
when this
I was
happened?
in the
So,
building.
can we get some context?
So I was just sitting down, playing my video game or whatever, and all of a sudden just like started going off, I don't even know how it happened.
You're lucky.
Yeah.
Yep. Fire department's coming.
Did we?
Subscribe to Peyton's Fire Alarms. This is the best channel ever.
Huh?
Peyton. Why? Yeah.
You can't tell these all from blue.
Oh, you see. Well, then I put my phone bag into like the room. Yeah.
What's your finally, Bob?
Good morning, guys.
Do you have any context, Braxton?
No, I hope the school burns down.
He's getting taller.
4904 91
You're not allowed to talk. Okay.
Okay, do you have any info?
I don't know, but I was looking kind of scared, but I didn't want to go to school, so now we're back at school, and I don't like it, and yeah.
The lights are still flashing, so I'm gonna do a little walk around. This strobe right here isn't working unless they shut it off. I'm not sure. Did they shut it off?
Yeah, me and Gage was in the
Dang it. Oh no, it's still going. Oh, my eyes. All these strobes aren't working here. What a weird way to start the day.
What a weird way to start school.
Hey,